Hello guys, I am Arvind and this is continuation video of loops in C programming and it is part 4. So guys, in this lecture we are going to discuss the difference between while and do while loop. So guys, let's get started. So guys, while loop is also known as entry control loop, whereas do while is known as exit control loop. The while loop checks the condition first and then execute the statements. Whereas in do while loop, the do while loop executes the statements before evaluating the condition. In while loop, the condition is specified at the beginning of the loop, whereas in do while loop, the condition is specified after the body of the loop. In while loop, the body is executed only if a certain condition is true and it terminates if condition is false. But in do while loop, the body is always executed at least once, even if condition is false. So guys, now moving further. So guys, now our next topic is which loop to select. So selection of a loop is always a difficult task for a programmer. So to select a loop, we need to analyze the problem and check whether it requires a pre-test or a post-test loop. So guys, if pre-test is required, then use while or for loop, and if post-test is required, then use a do while loop. Moving further guys, now guys, if we want to use pre-test approach, then which loop will be better to get the job done? So guys, the for loop is used where we already know about the number of times loop needs to be executed, whereas while loop will be used where we do not know how many times loop needs to be executed. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.